What happens when a country imposes a high tariff on imported goods? Well, let's dive into a recent example. Ecuador has just announced a 27% tariff on Mexican goods. This move could have significant implications for trade relations between the two countries. President of Ecuador Daniel Noboa made the decision to support local manufacturers, but some speculate there may be other underlying motives. Interestingly, this move echoes former US President Donald Trump's trade policies. Now, let's dissect the potential impact of this decision. The tariff is expected to affect various sectors in both countries. For Mexican exporters, the costs could increase significantly, making it more challenging to maintain competitive prices on the global market. Meanwhile, for Ecuadorian consumers, this could translate into price hikes as the cost of Mexican goods soars. But what's the bigger picture? This decision not only reflects Ecuador's economic challenges, but also sends a clear message about its stance on international